Hello, I'm Chris Moore with Century 21. I've got my buddy Travis with me today on a Realtor ride along. It's pretty awesome.
It's great.
Right now, we are at a house in East Edmond. We've had a lot of showings on this house, multiple offers, probably gonna go to contract tonight. But with all the showing traffic, we were just checking on the house and making sure it's okay, that everyone's respecting the property as they do their showings. Okay, so we're leaving East Edmond and we're going further east to Easter Edmond, I guess. Okay, so now we're in Twin Bridges edition. We're here to laser measure the inside of a garage. I have a prospective buyer that could purchase this house if he can fit his big extended cab pickup truck in that garage. What do you think of this house, Trav?
I think it's great. It's got a really interesting roof and a great turquoise door.